Hey guys, welcome back to the D3 Inter Workshop. And so with step 2 last time, we talked about how to organize your project folder, and this time in step 3 we're going to integrate D3 by copying the CDN link or the Content Delivered Network link of D3 to your file. So go ahead and go down to the same GitHub page, George GT Library Data Visualization / D3 Intro Workshop. And within this folder, all we're going to do is add D3 to our file and show you how to use the developer tools and access the JavaScript console, which we kind of did last in step. And we're also going to show you how D3 select function works. So if we click on the index.html file in step 3, we're going to see that we have the script d3js.org d3v4. So we're going to use the d3 version 4 type JavaScript. And so this is directly from the D3 site. So it's going to be a JavaScript file that we're going to have to link so we can access all the D3 functions. So if you go back to your JavaScript project here, or your D3 basic workshop project, we want to add that to our head, and then that should connect D3. And the way you test that is you go into your index.html file, refresh it, go to the console. So what you do to open this is you, on Chrome, I'm going to click developer, then I'm going to click developer tools, and it'll pull up. It should pull up all my developer tools. Yeah, so pull up all developer tools here, and we have elements, which show you all the HTML elements like body, the p tag, the SVG, and you can highlight all these to see what's going on. But more importantly, we're going to use the console. So we're going to type in D3, and if it returns something, you're going to see that it works. So if you have something like this, that means it's connected, you're good to go. If not, you want to go ahead and check to see if you copied the link properly. That might be the problem. But now we're going to use the d3.select function just to test it out. And in the workshop file, what we're doing here is d3.select body append p. So one of the powerful functions of D3 is its ability to add DOM elements to the web page. So one of the DOM elements we can add is a p tag, right? So we're going to have one p tag that says intro to D3 basics at Georgia Tech. Let's add another one. So the way we do that is type in D3, and you do this in the console. We're not going to add it to our code yet. D3.select, and we're going to select body, and you can see it's already filling some stuff for us down at the bottom. Dot append p, and we're going to add text. We'll call it added element via D3. So what I expect to happen here is we have our body here, which includes our p tag, our SVG, and we're going to add another p tag that'll include added element via D3. And we're going to click enter, and you can see it works. So this is important for a couple of reasons. One, we've seen how to add elements using D3, but in the future, we can add things beyond p tags. We can add more SVGs. We can basically add more circles, and we can add lines, we can add shapes, and also we can delete them too. So we can talk about in the next lectures, next series of videos, but as for now, that's how you connect D3, and that's how you use the console. Thank you.